Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my new microphone kit. It is from Neewer, and supposed to come with a few parts in it, to get you started. Get you started on your way to having a microphone kit here. And this is what it supposed to include inside your kit here. Pop filter, ball type foam cap, metal shock mount, and table mounting clamp, condenser microphone. Okay, so this is what the kit is supposed to have in it. Let me break the seal here. Here's the mounting bracket here. You guys see this? And we got the Neewer right here on the side. And here is a pop filter. You guys can see this. And you can put that right on your microphone bracket here. Here's another little pop filter. I don't ever use these things, but you have one included. Here, this is your instructions manual, I think. All different languages on here. Doesn't really tell you anything. This is the instruction manual right here. This, garbage. Shows you how to set up everything. Putting the clamp on the table and everything. You got a bracket right here. This thing's pretty small. I don't think I'll be able to use this one for a smaller microphone, but it is included. Here's the clamp. Go on clamp it down on the surface you're using, table, whatever it is, wherever you're gonna put this the microphone. This microphone stand here. I'm sorry. Goes right here. Then you clamp it down to your table. And here's your cable here. You have the I believe this is a female cable right here, and this is the coaxial cable at the end. But this goes to the microphone. This goes to the either your PC or your whatever device you're using at the time. And here is your microphone from Neewer. It goes right in there with that. So there's nothing else included, but this is your starter kit basically. You get your microphone, you get the stand, pop filters, this bracket here, everything to start out with. It's pretty nice. I don't know about the quality of the microphone. I haven't tested it yet, but the kit, I like the kit. It's pretty nice for a beginner, to start out with. Now let's take this tie off here. See how long this cable is. This is a pretty long cable. Wow. You need some distance. It's a pretty long cable. And it tells you everything here with the your little instruction booklet here. How to install everything. See the condenser microphone. See the condenser microphone. I can't really use this microphone because you have to have a thing slipped my mind now. Phantom power supply. That's what it is. Sorry guys. It slipped my mind for a second. You need a phantom power supply, so I can't really test this right now because the phantom power supply I have is not working. So until I get a new one and do a video on that one, after that then I'll test this microphone, because I also have another microphone that I haven't unboxed yet. I'll do a video for that, but the microphone test will be at a later date because I don't have my phantom supply, my new one anyway yet. The old one's broken, so stay tuned for that, guys. But you get a good variety of stuff here. You know, I mean, I would highly recommend it if you're just starting out. Let's say you're starting out on YouTube. Either you want to do a podcast or you just want to have a microphone for your videos. I would recommend this Neewer starter kit. You know, it'll come in handy. Trust me, especially if you're just starting out. You know, you have all these parts. All these parts that you get, you know, just set them up here. You know, individually cost you a lot, so together, the pop filter, this bracket, you know, the microphone, the cable, the mic stand. So I would recommend that, guys, if you really want to start out YouTube, start a podcast. You're a beginner, your first time doing your YouTube channel. I would recommend this. Okay guys, I did a quick setup so you guys can see the microphone stand, the pop filter, the microphone brackets, cable, everything set up. I have it hooked up to the table right here. You guys can see that. And it goes all the way up here. So this is it set up real quick so you guys can see the assembled product. I need you guys to see that real quick. Okay, so that's it right there, guys. So it's not bad. I mean, for a starter kit, it's not bad, guys. I will do a test on it when I have my new power supply for my microphone comes in. The old one doesn't work. So stay tuned for that, guys. And guys, thank you for watching the video.